Today inshallah we will explain the square. What is the square? The square is a quadrilateral and we will define it and tell you its properties. Of course we can see square in many places in our daily life. Now we will describe the square. The square it's a quadrilateral. What's the meaning? It's a quadrilateral. That means we have four sides: A, B, B, C, C, D, and AD. Each two opposite sides are parallel. What is the meaning of parallel? Parallel means each two opposite sides will never intersect. That means AB parallel to CD, AB parallel, AB parallel to CD, and the AD parallel to BC. The opposite sides are parallel. AD parallel BC. All its sides, the four sides, are equal in length. AB side AB equal side BC equal side CD equal side DA. The four sides are equal in length. Of course we said we have four sides, so we will have four angles. What about these four angles? We'll find that these four angles are equal in measure and each one equals 90 degrees. That means we have four right angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, they are all equal and each one its measure equal 90 degrees. Now let's talk about its diagonals. We have two diagonals for the square. What about these diagonals? Of course these diagonals as the parallelogram bisect each other. That means M is the midpoint of AC and M also midpoint of BD. That means the length of AM equals the length of CM and the length of MD equals the length of MB. And what else? Its diagonals are equal in length. That means the length of the diagonal AC equal the length of the diagonal BD. We have here another property. Its diagonals are perpendicular. That means AC perpendicular to BD. That means we have here four right angles. Here right angle and here also right angle and right angle. Now here if we have an exercise like this and he asked us to calculate the perimeter of the square. The perimeter or the perimeter of the square. How we can calculate it? We have two ways. The perimeter of the square equal, we will add the length of each side, this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. How many sides we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write it using another way. The perimeter of the square equals side multiplied by 4 all times 4. Now if the length of this side 5 centimeters, so the perimeter of the opposite square, as you can see here, will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20 centimeter. Or we can use the other way, that means we will use its side 5 multiplied by 4. 5 times 4 equals 20 centimeter. Here he may ask us about the area of the square. What is the area of the square? The area of the square equals side multiply side or side multiply itself, because we said all four sides are equal in length. That means this side 5, this also 5, 5, 5. But here to calculate the area of the square we will multiply 5 by 5, 5 by 5, or 5 times 5, it equals 25 square centimeter. And because we here deal with area, we will use square unit. Of course we have another way to calculate the area of the square. The area of the square here using its diagonals. What about this rule here? We can see the area of the square equal half multiplied by diagonal multiplied by diagonal or diagonal by itself, because as we said before, the length of each diagonal equal the other. This diagonal AC4, so this diagonal BD4. If this 5, this diagonal also will be 5. But here we have 4, so we calculate it like this. The area of the square equal half multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. That means half of 4, of course, equal to 2 times 4 equals 8. So the area of this square equals 8 square units. Thanks, goodbye, with my best wishes.